Hello and welcome back to a new video. It took me again another month to film another video, but yeah, these are the times and it's hard to talk about things that I love. I mean, my passion and my work, because I feel like, well, it's not that relevant right now, right? And so yeah, it takes a little bit of courage to come back again and yeah, try to do these videos once a week. I know I should do them once a week to make this channel grow, but yeah, as I explained, that's the reason why it's taking me a while. However, today I have something fun. Please, I will ask you to subscribe or just watch a couple of videos. The channel is bilingual, so maybe you have to go to the playlist in English and check a couple of videos. And if you're interested, if you like my content, I think now I have a few videos so you will understand what is this channel about very easily. Straightforward style, fashion, beauty, trends, and a little bit of luxury now and then. And today we have a luxury video. This is what we will be unboxing today together. I have unboxed it already and I have worn it, so it's more of like a first impression and a little bit of a detail, and I will obviously show you. So it's an eye candy video. All right, so the bag came in this beautiful box which you open and here's the dust bag. You take the bag and ta-da, that is it, that's it. It's the Lulu puffer bag. Let's talk a little bit about Anthony Vaccarello and what is he doing with the brand. I think he was appointed, and then in 2017 he released the Lulu bag, which is not this one. I will insert a picture. I don't own that bag, but I think it's kind of beautiful. However, for me, that bag was too similar to the Chanel bag, so I wasn't never interested in that particular Yves Saint Laurent bag. For me, always will be Yves Saint Laurent, not Saint Laurent, but I know nowadays it's Saint Laurent. I'm so happy they left the logo, by the way. So that bag, the Lulu, was the beginning of a very successful line of bags, and they released this puffer version, and it's more smooshy. For me, it's a completely different bag, and to be honest, I don't see any similarity between this and Chanel bag. However, some people could say it looks like that, but to me it looks very different, and I got attracted by that. And I also wanted for the longest time a red bag with a golden chain and golden logo, and I was initially very interested in the Marmont, but I do have one so I have it here, so we will do a comparison now. But let's talk first about this bag. Is that the color is really hard to describe. It's dark, sort of like burgundy, but it's a red. It's not the Bordeaux. Yves Saint Laurent has a Bordeaux that is very recognizable. This is not that Bordeaux, but it's not the red of the Gucci Marmont, which was initially the bag that I wanted to have. But I said, two Marmonts is a little bit of a indulgence, like I said, but I tend to do those things. If I like a bag, I like to have it in different colors and different sizes. I'm trying really to change that thinking and go into more sustainable ways, even in luxury. So if I like a bag, like now I like this model, I will go for just one color, and then whenever I'm thinking about another color, I will suppress myself. Mainly because obviously I cannot afford that, but even if I could, I will try not to, because you know, one is enough. So yeah, it's gorgeous. It's lamb leather. Another beautiful thing about this bag is that it looks super classic. It's elegant, and I think it will remain for many more years to come. I don't think this bag is gonna be ultimately a Kelly or a Speedy, but I think it will remain on fashion for the next 5 years, and that's good enough for me, because this is actually my second Yves Saint Laurent. I have the Kate, and I wore it so many times, and I still wear it. I don't think it's relevant anymore in fashion, but I still like it. I have it. It's not a bag that I'm considering to sell. I think it will remain like a very classy and beautiful bag, and I can wear it for events or like night dinners and things like that. This bag, however, I think I can use it for work, and by work I mean my fashion blogging work. Whenever I invest in one of these beautiful bags, I also have to think that I work with them. And thinking about those lines, I was considering between this one or a pouch from Bottega Veneta, but I don't know if I will love a Bottega Veneta pouch in a year, so I will still wait. And anyways, I think one of these purchases I do once a year, and so I have time for next year. If I still like the pouch of Bottega Veneta, that I will try to do, but for the time being, I think this one is really nice. Moving on to the chains, I think they're very cool. This is another of the things that I believe the designer has really thought about it. It combines so many different bags here. I think this is genius because you can make it short like I did previously. So you will actually do this. I mean, all the stylists knows this kind of tricks. Let me show you. Just this. So this little trick, and you will be wearing the bag in such a different way. I could do a picture with the bag like this, and it would look completely different than if I had the chains in a normal situation, and that would be like a flap and also, a crossbody. This is what makes the Lulu puffer so functional. You can make it look very differently, and I think this one is better than the marmot in that sense. This is just a fact, but it's something that I always take into consideration. I love to know about the story, and I research first if it has a meaning. I think the Lulu has a lot of meaning because it was named after Lulu de la Falaise. I will write it in case that I don't pronounce it very well. It's a late friend and collaborator from Yves Saint Laurent. So these kind of things for me always have a meaning. Yeah, I believe when you get one of these investments, it is the hand really that makes the purchase so amazing. I was debating whether to get the bigger size, but I felt like this was the look I wanted because I have the marmot, which is slightly bigger. I will show you now. And I was too big for me. I think this is really the perfect size. It fits all of my essentials and it makes the bag so lightweighted. I mean, it's already very light. And so when you put things on, it's perfect. So let me show you to do the comparison, and then I think we will be done with this video. So this is the marmot, and as you can see, this is much bigger. And I can fit more things here, definitely. So if I need a bigger bag, I will need this one. But this is much easier to style and it fits all the essentials.
So guys, just to finish off this video, I will insert here the pictures of the first look that I created with the wonderful Lulu. And I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Bye!